this is Tim from MIUI Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to stop your apps from starting in the background or running in the background on your Xiaomi phone. So you can see I have background apps right there. So to do this, we want to swipe down from the top right and go to settings. Then going down to apps. Choose this. Then we go to manage apps. And then we should be able to see everything under here. So we can hide the system apps as well. But we can go to other settings. And then we have the option for the apps in the background. So let's go back under here. And it was on the screen right here. Background auto start. So we can just go here. And I can see I can disable these apps right here from starting in the background. Google Wallet. So I probably don't need any apps really to be starting up with my phone. Maybe I can just keep Facebook turned on if I'm using Messenger or something like that. But you can disable them under there. Then also if you do have an app running, you can select it. And there should be an option to force stop it right here. And that will stop it from running in the background. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on MIUI Studios.